Sorry to keep you all waiting. Had to travel. Yes,
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. In this matter, I am representing the private respondent. I am here to file my affidavit of opposition. I pray that 3 weeks' time may be granted.
okay. What's your good name?
Zakul.
Okay, Zedgulnu. Any objection from the other side? Have you informed?
No, Your Lordship.
No objection. Mr. Zedgulnu, learned counsel appearing for the private respondent submits that he may be given
3 weeks' time.
3 weeks' time to file counter affidavit. Stop. Since the prayer is not opposed to by the learned counsels for the opposite party, 3 weeks' time is granted as prayed for filing counter affidavit. List
obliged.
again after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lord.
Much.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 20. The service, we have not received a complete service copy yet. So we pray for 4 more weeks, Your Lordship,
You're for the
for the state respondents.
service copy means you have not received the copies.
Yes,
of
complete
the-
set. We have,
Of the writ petition.
yes, yes. I have informed them also, taken the consent. So
Okay.
4 weeks, maybe given.
Your good name?
M. Longkumar.
Government advocate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. M. Longkumar, learned government advocate submits that he may be granted further 4 weeks' time to receive instructions and to file counter affidavit. The said prayer is not opposed to by the other side. Next para, list again after 4 weeks. Right.
Yes. Lordship, I beg to mention item 14 also, on behalf of Ms. Inauli for the state
Just a minute,
respondents.
huh?
Yes.
Which one? Item number?
14. What? 14, on behalf of MS Inauli. We pray for 3 weeks.
Opposite party, any objection?
No objection, Lordship.
Okay, let's wait for on behalf of Ms. Inaholi, learned government advocate, appearing for the state respondents. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to file counter affidavit. List again after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship.
All right.
I have a similar prayer for item 9. On behalf of V. Zimomi, government.
Hmm. 3
We
weeks.
put 3 weeks to file an affidavit. in
Any objection?
May I please, Your Lordship, if it'll be listed within 2 weeks,
2 weeks.
Yeah. and last chance may be given
Lordship, it's a
to
new,
file then
This is a
opposition.
2025 matter.
yes.
However, on last occasion, they said that they'll be filing this week actually.
Okay. On behalf of?
V. Zimomi.
Okay, a prayer has been made for adjournment for 3 weeks on behalf of Mr. V. Zimomi, learned government advocate.
Yes.
Stop, however, the said prayer is opposed to by the other side, saying that similar prayer was made on the last occasion and that they were supposed to file their counter affidavit within a week. Stop, however, considering the fact that the matters of the year 2025, further 3 weeks' time is granted as per, with the understanding that the affidavit will be filed by the next date. Right?
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yeah, please, Lordship. I beg to mention hearing item number 26, Lordship.
You're
If
ready?
this- Lordship, if this matter will be listed on Thursday, my lord.
26.
Yes, Lordship. On Thursday, Lordship.
Okay, Thursday.
Yes, Lordship.
What is the matter regarding?
Lordship, this is a dispute between husband and wife, Lordship. Some orders were passed by the GMFC and Family Court, Lordship. Now they respond number 3, that is the husband, Your Lordship. He filed a complaint before the Tanki Village Council. Now the Village Council has passed orders, effectively sitting an appeal over the orders passed by the Family Court and GMFC, which is illegal, Your Lordship. I mean, the matter is already sub judice, Your Lordship.
Okay, who's for the other side? You're there for the other side?
I'm for respondent number 3.
Any objection?
Objection, Lord.
As prayed for by Miss Esther. You are Mr. Esther,
Yes, Your Lordship.
learned counsel for the
Petitioner.
petitioner, not opposed to by the other side. List the matter again on Thursday. Give the date, please, sir.
Lordship, there's an interim also.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8. Lordship, here I'm appearing for respondent 2 and 3. So kindly grant me 3 weeks' time to file my affidavit in opposition.
You are Mr.?
Lakne Pom, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Lakni Pom, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent numbers
2 and 3, Lordship.
2 and 3, submits that he may be granted 3 weeks' time to file counter affidavit. Any objection?
No objection. For the
Okay, the said present opposed to by the other side. In view of above, list the matter again after 3 weeks and let the counter affidavit be filed by the next date.
Lordship, there's an
Oh.
interim, Lordship.
Interim order shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, Your Lordship. Lordship, here, the leading counsel has some personal difficulty today, who is from Dimapur. So if this matter can
Who?
come up, peace reign, Lordship.
P. Suren,
Yes, Lordship.
Poseko is also there.
Lordship, but my senior Fosoko is not present today, Your Lordship. So if this matter can come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. As paid for on behalf of Mr. Foseko Forte,
Fosoko for the Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Maybe, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 11.
11.
Here, my lord, on the last occasion, we weren't able to receive the amended petition. So,
We will serve them, Lordship.
Hmm.
So we will serve them the amended petition, Lordship.
Okay. Would you like to file anything on the
yes,
amendment?
yes, we'll count.
Okay, as paid for by the parties, the matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks,
My lord, 3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
My lord.
Okay. And you're for the petitioner.
For respondent number 3 to 6, my lord.
Okay. Learned Counsel for the petitioner to serve the amended writ petition to the.
No, they have filed amended writ petition, but
Yes.
we are yet to receive.
That's
the
why.
petition.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner to serve the amended writ petition to the Learned Counsel for the opposite parties.
Lordship. Lordship, in this case, on the previous date, we took dusty service upon respondent number 3456. So we have taken steps and they have appeared, Lordship. However, we are yet to file our affidavit of service. So if
You file it.
Lordship,
Any observation required?
no, Lordship,
You file it. Yes.
Lordship. Obliged, my lord.
My
Yes.
lord.
This Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
Yes.
Here, Lordship, I'm yet to receive instructions, Lordship. So if 3 weeks' time will be granted to me, Lordship,
You are for the state.
for the state response,
Who's for the other side?
Lordship.
Any objection?
No objection.
Your good name, please.
Interim
Chang.
order.
S. Chang.
Okay, as paid for by Ms. S. Chang,
Your Lordship,
Learned
let
Governor.
the interim order be continued.
Yes. As paid for by Ms. S. Chang, Learned Government Advocate, appearing for the state respondents for the 3 weeks' time. How much time? 3 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks' time is granted for filing counter affidavit. List the matter again after 3 weeks. Stop interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged.
All right.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item number 19, Lordship. I've taken the consent from the petitioner's counsel, Lordship. If 3 weeks' time may be granted to me, Lordship. Item 19.
Okay, similar order. Any interim?
No, Lordship.
Okay. Same order, but without interim, okay? Yes.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item 21 and 22 on behalf of N. Ankami, Lordship. I have received the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner this morning, Lordship.
Mm.
So if this matter can be listed after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Lordship, after 1 week.
Additional affidavit in both the cases.
No, Lordship, in item number 22.
22 only.
Yes, I filed my additional affidavit.
Okay. Who's appearing here? Who's the counsel appearing?
N. Ankami.
Okay, please write. Mr. N. Agami, Learned Government Advocate,
Yes, Lordship.
appearing for the state respondents, is said to have received a copy of the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner in WPC number 52 of 2024. And therefore, a week's time is sought for preparing the matter. Stop. Since the prayer is not opposed to by the other side, let the matter be listed for hearing after a week,
Yes,
all
Lordship.
right? On a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item number 5 on behalf of Tipapom, Lordship.
Just a minute, one more line. Registry shall verify the additional affidavit said to have been filed in WPC number 52 and of 2024 and connect the same to the case record. Yes. Which one?
Item 5.
5
5. Yes, Lordship.
on behalf of,
On behalf of Thibapom, Lordship.
he is the
I have
CGC. He is the CGSC.
No, Lordship, for the state respondents, Lordship.
Okay.
For respondent 5, 6, and 7.
Well, you want an adjournment for what? For filing counter?
Yes, Lordship.
Anyone appearing for the other side? Item 5,
Yes.
And-
On behalf of my senior, Yangarwati.
Yangawati. Yangawati is the CGSC, isn't it? For the petitioner, who's there? Muaz Jamir,
Lordship.
you are there. Any objection? Okay, as paid for on behalf of Mr. E. Thibapom, learned government advocate, appearing for the state respondents. For the, how much time? 3 weeks' time is granted for filing counter affidavit. Have you filed counter? Union of India.
Not yet, sir.
Okay, similarly, the respondent Union of India is granted 3 weeks' time to file counter affidavit. List again after 3 weeks.
Single prayer for item 6, Lordship.
Okay. 6 also similar order.
Pleasure. May it please the court.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10 on behalf of my senior, Yangarwati. Your Lordship, this matter will kindly be fixed after 3 weeks as we are yet to receive
No objection.
instruction.
Okay, as paid for on behalf of Mr. Yangawati, Lanet CGSC, appearing for the respondent Union of India. Further 3 weeks' time is granted for filing counter affidavit. List again after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Your Honor.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15.
Yes,
On behalf of Esmere. Lordship, we can list this matter after 2 weeks.
that other side,
No objection, Your Lordship.
no objection. On a prayer made on behalf of Ms. S. Mary,
Lordship,
Lanet government advocate,
Lordship,
and not opposed to by the other side. List this matter again after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Lordship, I
Yes, sir.
also like to beg to mention item number 16. On behalf of AIMA. Kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Item number?
16.
Okay. Any objection?
No, Your Lordship.
All right.
no objection.
As paid for on behalf of Miss
AIMA.
AIME, Learned Government Advocate,
Lordship,
appearing for the state respondents. Further 3 weeks' time is granted for filing counter affidavit. List again after 3 weeks.
Lordship, similar prayer with item number 17 and 18. On behalf of AIMA.
17, 18.
Lordship,
And other side,
No
you are
objection.
there? No objection. Okay, similar order will be in item 17 and 18 also. Okay.
I oblige.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23. Lordship, I kindly fix this matter for hearing on Thursday. 13th.
Other side,
Okay.
you're for the petitioner.
I'm for the petition.
Okay, as paid for by the learned counsel for the petitioner. And as agreed to by the parties, let the matter be listed for hearing on Thursday.
Obliged.
Please give the date. Huh?
For Norton, item number 1.
Yes, what is this matter?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Your Lordship, this is an application seeking for appointment on the basis of land ownership. Your Honor, by filing this instant writ petition, the petitioner are challenging to impugn appointment order whereby the respondent number 7 and 8 was appointed, even though they are not the landowner, Your Honor. Your Lordship.
Where's the order?
The order is at page number 16 and 17. Page number 16 and 17, Your Lordship.
16 would be in respect of respondent number.
Number 7. And 17 is in respect of respondent number 8.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, the petitioner family, they have donated their plot of land for establishing a sub-center at Gauhati village, which is under Mon district. However, during that time, none of the petitioner family were appointed on the basis of land ownership.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, on 31st/7/2023 and on 14/5/2024, 2 medical attendant posts fell vacant.
When was the land donation? When was the land donated?
Your Lordship, I'm told that it was in the year 1970. As per the representation sent to the Commissioner and Secretary, it is at page number 22, Your Lordship.
Since 1970, you're waiting for appointment,
Yes, Your Lordship.
more than 50 years.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There was no vacancy for 50 years. Huh?
I've not received any instruction as such.
Have you received a copy?
Yes, I just received a copy.
Anyway, we'll issue a notice at this stage.
Lordship, may I just point out one thing? If you come to page 40 of the writ petition,
Hmm.
this is the notification for appointment on land ownership.
Okay.
The last para, 3C,
Hmm.
clause 3C. It reads as, it is clarified that it is not a policy of the government to provide employment to all landowners in perpetuity. The employment of the landowner, if permitted by a verifiable and valid agreement, is limited to the person first appointed as landowner. Now here, this says that only landowner appointment can be given only to one person. But this petition, they have two writ petitioners who are said to be brothers.
Hmm.
So that it may be incorrect petitioners, as even if accepting that they may be,
So only one of them will
only
get it.
one of them can,
Hmm.
yes,
But they say that two persons have been appointed.
yes. But on
This-
land ownership basis, they can give only one,
Correct.
if at all.
Okay. But is your case like this, that these two persons, 7 and 8 respondent,
Yes, Your Honor.
they have been appointed on the basis of landowner?
Yes, Your Lordship.
They are also appointed on basis
Yes, Your
landowner.
Lordship.
Are they related to each other?
Your Honor, I'm not aware of that, Your Lordship.
But go by the name, one is Konyak, one is Liwe. Does it belong to the same tribe? Ah, yes. Against vacancy. Ah. See, going by your submission,
Yes,
you see page 16. Who is appointed? Ngipia Konyak,
yes,
in place of Pongsi Konyak. These two also may be related to each other. We don't know.
yes,
You are saying that only one person can be given. Once appointment is given, others cannot claim,
yes,
isn't it?
yes.
So this is the guidelines issued here. Anyway, at this stage, we don't know what is what. So we'll issue notice.
Yes.
You get your instructions, file the affidavit, we'll sort it out. Isn't it? What's your name?
Philip Lorin.
All right, Mr. Philip Lorin, learned counsel for the petitioners, who submits that the petitioners are aggrieved with the appointment of the respondent number 7 and 8 as what? As medical attendant at Chauha Chinyu Subcenter under the establishment of Chief Medical Officer Mon, Health and Family Welfare Department. On 5/2/2025 and 14/2/2025 respectively. You get the details in page 16 and 17. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the family of the petitioners had donated land for the establishment of sub-center at Chauha Chinyu village in Mon district sometime in the year 1970. And therefore, they're entitled to be considered for employment in terms of the guidelines issued by the Government of Nagaland in the Land Revenue Department, by notification dated 5/3/2018, bracket annexure M. Next para, in view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. The good name.
M. Longkumar.
M. Longkumar, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent members.
1 to 5.
1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Yes.
Petitioners to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate within 2 working days. Stop. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent numbers 6, 7, and 8 by registered post with ADD within 3 working days. List again after 4 weeks. Respondents to file their counter affidavit in the meantime.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
For motion, item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the instant petition may be filed for with a prayer to appoint the petitioner on compassionate ground, Your Lordship, as per the
On
compassionate ground.
compassionate grounds.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There's such scheme is there?
Yes, Your Lordship. There are 2 schemes, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, page number 22, Your Lordship. Annexure D.
Hmm.
Lordship, this is a scheme with the subject revised commissioner appointment schemes for government employees who dies in harness, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, if Your Lordship would come to annexure number E, Your Lordship, page number 24, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
This is an addendum, Your Lordship, wherein some modification have been made, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Now, Your Lordship, what has happened is that my father was serving as a packer, Your Lordship, under the Directorate of Health and Family Welfare.
S.
Packer, Your Lordship. PACKER.
What is that?
It's a packer, Your Lordship, grade 4 post, Your Lordship.
No, no. What is the job of that?
Lordship,
What is?
also-
What do you? How do you spell it?
PACKER, Your Lordship.
Packer.
Packer, Your Lordship.
Okay, okay. Packed for packing things.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, what has happened is that while serving as a packer, Your Lordship, on
Hmm.
24/01/2022, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
my father expired, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, the year after the demise of my father, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
I've made an application to the department.
You're the daughter.
Daughter, Your Lordship,
Okay.
daughter, Your Lordship, with a prayer to appoint me to any
Hmm.
grade 3 or 4 post, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
to which I'm eligible, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Now, Your Lordship, would come to page number 22, Your Lordship, the OM, Your Lordship.
Hmm. Yes.
Lordship, here, point number 2, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
if I may be allowed to read it. Your Lordship.
Yes.
Appointment on compassionate grounds shall be given only to one of the following members of the deceased employee
Hmm.
family, that is A, spouse, B, son, and C, daughter, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, been eligible and been qualified, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I am a graduate, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
in honors in history, Your Lordship.
Okay.
As such, I've filed the application, Your Lordship, for my application.
Okay.
Lordship, however, till that my application was not considered, Your Lordship. In Your Lordship, on
Hmm.
that 5/5/2025, Your Lordship, after
See.
3 years, of my first application, Your Lordship.
When was your application filed?
First application was filed on 6/09/06/2022, Your Lordship. Page
Okay.
number. Lordship, come to page number 21, Your Lordship, annexure C. Lordship,
Yes.
this is my first application, Your Lordship, to the department.
Okay.
And if Your Lordship will come to page number 25, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
another application have been made to Your Lordship. After 3 years, Your Lordship, I've made another application to the department, Your Lordship, with the prayer for appointment on compassionate ground on demise of my father, late so-and-so, packer under Central Medical Store, DY Directorate of Health and Family Members who expired on 24/01/2022, Your Lordship. Lordship, even after I've made this application, Your Lordship, nothing have been communicated to me, nor my matter was considered, Your Lordship. Lordship, thereafter, if Your Lordship come to page number 26 again, annexure G.
Yes.
Lordship, I have served another representation, Your Lordship. If I may be allowed to read it, Your Lordship, from the first paragraph, Your Lordship.
Is it necessary? At this stage, what can we do? Will issue notice?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hello?
Your Lordship, what is done is, happened is that, as per the addendum, Your Lordship, 2019, Your Lordship, appointment on commission ground is to be made strictly as per the date of the government family employee, Your Lordship.
As per the date
Date
of.
of that, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
But Your Lordship, what has happened is that 2 persons have already been appointed before me, Your Lordship, in grade 3 post, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
And now one post is available, Your Lordship.
Okay. Where's that? Your statement. One post is available.
Your Lordship, one post is available. If Your Lordship would come to page number 29, Your Lordship. This is the list, if Your Lordship got it, page 29, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is the list provided by the department, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, here, grade 3 commissioner application till date, Your Lordship, 2024. Your Lordship would come to page number, serial number 3 of Your Lordship.
Serial number 12,
Serial number 13, Your Lordship.
13.
Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, the date of death is given as 0604, 0606, 2023, Your Lordship. Vacancy available, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
And if Your Lordship would come to page number 35, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, list of grade 3 appointed under Commissioner Crown. Your Lordship, serial number 15 and 16, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, here the date of death. Serial number 16, Your Lordship.
This is under which department?
Health and Family.
Health.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So what you want to say is that normally the appointment is
should be-
given
Yes,
on the basis of the date of on which the government servant expires.
yes, Your Lordship. As per the
So,
addendum, Your Lordship.
Some others have been given appointments.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Whose parents have expired
Lordship.
later than yours.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, however, my
Hmm.
case is yet to be considered or yet to be communicated also, Your Lordship.
All right, we'll issue notice.
Lord.
What do you, anything?
Notice, Lordship.
Hmm. And the percentage of vacancies also, I think, limited to
Yes, Your
5% of the direct recruitment
Okay.
quota.
Yes, Your Lordship. As per
Isn't
the
it?
OIM, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr.
M. Solo, Your Lordship.
M. Solo, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the father of the petitioner, who was working as
Becker.
packer, PACKER, under the Central Medical Store in the office of the Deputy Director, Health and Family Welfare Department, died in harness on 24/1/2022. Stop following the demise of her father, the petitioner, who is a graduate, applied for compassionate appointment by submitting her application on 9/6/2022 before the Principal Director, Health and Family Welfare Department. Stop, however, as no response was made, the petitioner once again submitted her application before the same authority on 5/5/2025, which also remains unconsidered, not considered. Then you submitted one more, is it, thereafter?
Page 26, Your Lordship. Annexure
26.
G, representation. Page
Okay.
26.
Stop thereafter, the petitioner again submitted one more representation on 8/3, no, on,
8/3.
on.
Your Lordship,
This is-
5/8/2025, Your
This is
Lordship.
phone number,
Bottom left, Your Lordship.
on 5/8/2025,
Yes, Your
before
Lordship.
the same authority, but till date, there is no response. Despite the fact that there are vacancies, according to the petitioner. Who stop, the learned counsel also submits that appointment on compassionate basis is given on the basis of seniority,
On the basis of,
on the basis of
Death of
the,
the-
on the basis of the death of the government servant. But however, in the instant case, people, the said criteria has been the said criteria has not been followed for reasons best known to the respondents. Stop, I grieve the petition is before this court. Next para, in view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Miss
S. Chang, Lordship.
S. Chang, Learned Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers
1 to 4.
1 to 4. And therefore, no more formal notice is required. Petitioner shall, however, furnish requisite copies of the writ petition to the Learned Government Advocate within 2 days. Respondents to file their counter affidavit on the next date, which should contain details such as how many persons have been appointed on compassionate basis after 24/1/2022 under the Department of Health and Family Welfare Department, Health and Family Welfare. And what is the status as regards vacancy for considering compassionate appointment as on date of filing the affidavit? List again after 4 weeks.
Marshal Bajaj.
Lordship.
For admission, item number 3.
My lords, I'm appearing for petitioner in item number 3, my lords.
Yes,
My lords, in this petition, we have challenged a notification, that is a notification number 56 of 2023, which is pending before Supreme Court, my lords.
Hmm.
My lords, it is requested to postpone this matter until the final judgment of the Supreme Court came, sir. My lords, in the last hearing, your lordship have observed the same thing and they have postponed this matter for today, but still the matter is pending before Supreme Court. So, my lords, it is requested to postpone the matter.
What do you say? You all agree?
Yes.
Okay, we postpone it for what? How long? Any date?
4 weeks, my lords.
Weeks. What's your good name?
Sakshi Bist.
Okay. Peruse the order dated 28/8/2025. We'll stop. Miss Shakshi Bist appears through RVC and submits that the matter pending before the apex court is yet to be considered and disposed of, and therefore submits that matter may be adjourned for 4 weeks. Since the outcome of the case would squarely cover the present case. We'll stop. Mr. Z. Kulnu, Learned
Standing counsel.
Standing Counsel.
For the respondents.
Standing Counsel what?
CBIC,
CB?
Customs Board of Indirect Taxes and
Okay, Learned Standing Counsel. CBIC. And,
Lordship, I'm for local counsel.
huh? You are?
I'm for the petitioner, I'm for the local counsel.
Okay, she's there, that means, okay. Submits that, she agrees to the prayer.
My lords, there has been interim order in this matter.
All right. Considering the submissions are made, that the matter be listed again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Till then, the interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Grateful, my lords.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 12.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, on behalf of AIMA, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Okay,
Lordship, if this can be the last chance.
last chance.
Here, the petitioner was appointed on 6/6/2023. He is not receiving salary till date, Your Lordship.
Okay. 3 weeks' time is being sought for filing counter affidavit on behalf of Miss A. IME, Learned Government Advocate. Stop, however, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the prayer may be allowed subject to the same being as a last chance. So considering the fact that the writ petition has been filed this year, further 3 weeks' time is granted as prayed for. With the understanding that the respondents will file their counter affidavit. Stop. If the same is not filed, the petitioner is at liberty to renew her prayer for early consideration of the matter.
For hearing item number 20.
24. Anyone appearing, hearing? Zemo may appears in three weeks' time. Respondents. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Petitioners, petitioners when the matter is called. So it is also seen that.
My lord, is it for item number 24?
Yes.
Yes, my lords, I appear for the petitioner.
Where are you? We can't see you.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what do you want?
My lords, in the last order, respondent number 1 and 2 has taken time to file the replies, but they haven't filed yet. So, and they haven't appeared also in the previous dates as well, and they have taken time to file the reply, but they haven't filed yet. So, my lords, if an ex parte order can be passed. And also there's an interim order, my lords, for stay, which we want to extend as well.
What is the matter regarding?
My lords, the matter is regarding that there have been impugned orders passed by the Deputy Commissioner of State Taxes, and there's also an impugned show cause notice and demand notice. However, we have hired respondent number 4 to take care of filing of GST. However, they have done the respondent number 4 has done some illegal activities and has which has shown on our record. However, we have when we've seen the illegal activities, we have reported, and we have also repeatedly told the authorities that we are the victims of respondent number 4, and that there's also an affidavit, and there's also a criminal case against respondent number 4, wherein he has said that he has accepted his activities, my lords, but the authorities have not accepted our contention that we are just victims. And so our prayer is, my lords, to quash the impugned order, impugned notice, and the impugned demand order.
You are the petitioner, isn't it?
Yes,
you're for the petitioners. Then
yes,
what about the Ministry of Finance, who's appearing? Ministry of Finance, then the Deputy Commissioner of Taxes. And number 4 is one private respondent.
Yes, my lords. He was in charge. He has done activities.
Notice is served upon them. Notice is served or not? Can you hear me?
Yes, my lords.
Has notice been served on the private respondent, Anupam Roy?
Just a second. Let me check my notes, please.
Okay, but there's an affidavit regarding publication of notice. Where's that? So substituted service by paper publication or what? Paper publication. Then what has happened thereafter? 2125. Please write down. Although the matter is listed for hearing, it is seen that the respondent numbers 1 and 2 have not filed their counter affidavit, though time was granted by order dated 16/10/2025. To stop, it is further seen that respondent number 4 has been served notice through through paper publication. No, in a substituted manner through paper publication, and an affidavit to that effect has been filed enclosing the local daily on which the notice was published. In terms of court's order dated 26/11/2024. Okay, you continue that. That's without full stop. Full stop there. Can you just read newspaper publication? That part. No, before that. How do you start the sentence? No. Yeah. I think you have all mixed up everything. Before that, you read from the beginning. Then stop. The remaining you cut. Now you write afresh. It is further seen that the respondent number 4 has been served notice in a substituted manner through newspaper publication in 2 local dailies. Stop. The petitioner has filed an affidavit enclosing the newspaper clippings. Stop. On perusal of the same, notice is accepted to be complete upon respondent number 4. Stop. Next para. Yes, what is your good name?
Kavya.
Sorry?
Kavya.
Kavya.
Yes, my lords.
Miss Kavya, learned counsel for the petitioners, appears through RVC and submits that an order may be passed by the court to proceed against the respondents ex parte, since they have failed to file their counter affidavit and also appear. Stop. Stop. However, having regard to the issue involved, this court is inclined to give one more opportunity to the respondents to make their appearance and to file their counter affidavit. Failing which, court may consider proceeding with the matter on the basis of the materials available on record. Would you like to come down and appear in person and physically? We'll fix a
My
date.
lords, I'll have to seek instructions from my seniors, my lords.
All right.
Mm.
So let the matter be listed again on so and so. Give a date after 2 weeks. Any date? Not on Wednesday, Tuesday or Thursday. 25 November. 25/11/2025.
Grateful, my lords.
All right.
For hearing item number 25.
Okay, none appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Stop. Same was the case when the matter was listed on 16/10/2025. Stop. For the ends of justice, let the matter be listed again after 2 weeks. Stop. If no one appears on the next court date, court may consider passing appropriate order.